Good morning, students. Welcome in HCP Practical. Today I will start the experiment number 23. That is to sterilize syringe, needles, and glasswares. In previous practical, we have seen the experiment number 21 and 22. 21 remaining part of 21 experiment. And experiment is to study the different types of the sterilizers, that is autoclave, hot air oven, membrane, filter. And 22 is the to sterilize surgical instruments. Now see the experiment number 23, that is to sterilize syringe, needles and glasswares. In that pure concepts, sterilization, method of sterilization. We have this sterilization and method of sterilization we have studied in previous practical, so I will not repeating again theory part. Now see the new concept proposition, method of sterilization of syringe, needles and glassware. Okay, method of sterilization. Then general concept structure. In that, firstly clean the all glasswares, then rinse and air dry properly, then wrap with the paper and load, then sterilize, then after the sterilization cool, then after cooling unload. Okay, these are the general concept structure. Then learning objectives, intellectual skill. In that, to understand the concept of sterilization and to understand the step procedure. Then motor skills are ability to clean the syringe, needles and glasswares, then ability to wrap the syringe, needles and glasswares with in brown paper, then ability to load syringe, needle and glasswares, and ability to operate the sterilizers. These are the learning objective. Now see the general concept structure. Firstly clean the all glasswares, needles and syringe, then rinse these all needles, glasswares and syringe, then air dry all of these, then wrap with paper, that is paper used brown paper, then load the all syringe, needles and glasswares, then sterilize all these, then cool and unload. Then apparatus, glasswares and chemical. First glassware is syringe, needles and beaker, pipette, burette, then conical flask, autoclave, then hot air oven, muslin wrapper, cotton plug, magnifying lens, brown paper. Then chemicals, that is detergent solution, then water, alkaline detergent, then distilled water, chromic acid. These are the apparatus. And here are the diagram of glass syringe. These are the glass syringe. First diagram is glass syringe, that is upper part of syringe, that is push button, then middle part is plunger and below part is piston. Then in second below part, then finger grips, then syringe bearer, middle part, that is numbering, then nozzle cap, then beaker, then measuring cylinder, needles, pipettes, funnels, flat bottom round flask and volumetric flask. Okay, now stepwise procedure. First is various syringes, needles and glasswares are used in the hospital for different purposes. Syringes, needles and glasswares are cleaned properly, wrapped with suitable wrapper and then sterilized by steam sterilization or dry heat sterilization. First is sterilization of glass syringe. Now in that, first is by dry heat sterilization and second is by moist heat sterilization. Now see the first is by dry heat sterilization. In that, first is the bearer and plunger. Syringes are separated and rinsed with tap water. Then immediately after use of remove the dried deposits like blood, protein and cells, etc. Then soak the barrels and plungers in hot mild detergent. Then use smooth test tube brush for cleaning of inner side of the bearer and to prevent the scratches on it. Then repeat the rinses for 3 to 4 times first with hot tap water and finally with fresh distilled water. Then allow the bearer and plunger to air dry or in the hot air oven at 65 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Then inspect for the cleanness and other defects. Then wrap bearer and plunger with muslin wrapper and separately and tighten the barrel and plungers with a thread to avoid it cross mixing. Then load the wrapper barrier and plungers in the oven by maintaining sufficient space for easy hot air circulation inside the oven. Then next step is carry out the sterilization in hot air oven with usual precautions under the following condition. First, holding temperature is 170 degrees Celsius and holding time is 1 hour. Then switch off the hot air oven and allow it to cool. Then operate the hot air oven and remove the sterilizer glass syringe. Okay, these are the sterilization of the glass syringe by dry heat sterilization. Then by moist sterilization, first step, the bearer and plungers syringes are separated and rinsed with the tap water. Then immediately after use to remove dried deposits like blood, protein, cells, etc. Then soak the barrels and plungers in the hot mild detergent. Then use a smooth test brush for cleaning of inner side of barrel and to prevent the scratches on it. Okay, then next step is repeat the rinsing for 3 to 4 times, first with hot tap water and finally with fresh distilled water. Then inspect for cleanness and other defects. Then next step is wrap bearer and plunger with muslin wrappers and separated and tighten the bearer and plunger with thread to avoid it cross mixing. Okay, then next step is arrange these packets side by side in SS sterilizing bin. Then place the SS sterilizing bin in an autoclave. Then carry out the sterilization in an autoclave with usual precautions under the following condition. First is holding pressure is 15 IB per inch square. Then holding temperature is 20 degrees Celsius and holding time is 20 minutes. In by dry heat sterilization, holding temperature 170 degrees Celsius, and here by moist heat sterilization, holding temperature is 121 degrees Celsius. Then holding time for dry heat sterilization is 1 hour and holding time in by moist heat sterilization 20 minutes, and holding pressure is in moist heat sterilization 15 IB per inch square. Then next step is switch off the autoclave, allow it cool. Then operate the lid of an autoclave and remove the sterilized material. Then close steam inlet of the SS sterilizing bin immediately. Then remove the sterilizer's material from the SS sterilizing bin when required. Okay, these are the moist heat sterilization. Then second is the sterilization of metal needles. Okay, sterilization of metal needles is by dry heat sterilization and by moist heat sterilization. This part we will see in next practical. Now I will stop here. Thank you.